Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Loft in FreeCAD. If you want to do it, first you need to create an empty file, and after that you need to select here part design. Then you need to click create body and you need to click on create sketch. Now we select this one option XY plane and we click OK button. Now I need to click on this one icon, and for example I will use here hexagon to use this function. And now I draw the hexagon, maybe something like that. I click here, then I click close button. Now I need to click on this one icon and we need to edit in Z direction value. I type here 20 millimeters and I click OK button. After that I select it and I click create sketch. Now again I need to draw here hexagon, so I click on this one icon and I select here hexagon. This time I will draw it somewhere here, maybe something like that. Then I click close button. I select this plane, I click right mouse button on it and I click delete. Then you may see this one information. After that we click yes button. Now I press and hold Ctrl and I select this one line and this one line. After that I click on this one icon to use additive loft, and how you see it has been successfully created here. So in this way we have used Loft function in FreeCAD. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.